Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from your Uphold account. Now let's get straight into the video. The first method is to withdraw funds through bank transfer. So how you want to do that is to first log into your Uphold account, and then you want to click on withdraw or send. Now you want to select bank transfer as the withdrawal method. Then you want to enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and then choose your bank account, or you could also just add a new one if you don't have one selected already, or probably it's a different account. And then you can just review the transaction details and confirm. Now after you're done with that, Uphold is going to process the transaction and send the funds to your bank account. Now the second method, of course, is to use the debit or credit card. Now the first way to do that is to log into your Uphold account and then click on withdraw or send. And then this time you want to select debit or credit card as the withdrawal method, and then you need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and then choose your debit card or your credit card, or you could also just add a new one if you want to use that. And then after you're done, you need to review the transaction details and then confirm that. And once that's all taken care of, Uphold is going to process the transaction, and they're going to send your funds to your debit card or your credit card. Now the third method is to withdraw funds through your cryptocurrency. Now what you want to do there is to first log into your Uphold account, and then you want to click on withdraw or send. Now this time you want to select cryptocurrency as the withdrawal method. Then you got to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw. So that could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever. And then you need to enter the amounts that you want to withdraw, and of course you got to enter the recipient's cryptocurrency wallet address. So that could be yours or someone else's. You just put that right there, and then you need to review the transaction detail to make sure everything is in place before you confirm. And once that's taken care of, Uphold is going to process that transaction, and they're going to send the cryptocurrency to the recipient's wallet address straight up. Now the fourth method is to withdraw funds via other payment methods. So that could be PayPal or Apple Pay, Venmo, whatever. So how you can do that is to first log into your Uphold account, and then you want to click on withdraw or send. And then now you got to select other payment method as the withdrawal method, and then you got to choose whatever payment method that is. And then what you want to do is to enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and then follow the prompts to complete the rest of the transaction. Now there are a couple of things to note when it comes to fees and limits. The first, of course, is to check the fees. So you got to review the fees associated with each withdrawal methods before you withdraw any funds. And of course you got to check the limits. So you got to review the transaction limits for each method to ensure that you are within the allowed limit. Otherwise, if you exceed the limit, you're not going to be able to make that transfer. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because we really need your support. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.